Hi there, welcome to Satpal's kitchen. I'm sorry that. Hi guys, welcome to Satpal's kitchen. Sorry for the late video coming up. Had been so busy with the lovely weddings and the children's holidays and etc. But here we are, and today we're making Keema mutter, spicy mince with the peas. And today I won't be cooking it. This is Priya, my third oldest daughter.
Your best child ever.
And this is Anjali, the youngest one.
Hi guys.
So she'll be helping out and Priya will be cooking. Oh guys, this is a bit too high, I need to go move it a little bit. So we'll get started. We're going to be starting with actually chopping up all the ingredients. So Priya, would you like to start with all the ingredients? Now, here we have 2 onions. We have a piece of fresh ginger. We have 2 green chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, half a tin of chopped tomatoes, a cupful of frozen peas. We have 500 grams of turkey mince, and we have some cooking oil here. And here we've got all the spices. Here we've got jeera, cumin seeds, chili powder, turmeric, haldi, garam masala, black pepper grounds. We've got chili flakes, we've got salt and tandoori powder. We won't be needing all the spices, but the ones that we will be needing, we will be mentioning it in the video. Also here we have a cupful of basmati rice. They've actually soaked already, washed and soaked already. And we've got 2 cupfuls of elephant chapati flour medium. Cut up all the ingredients and blend it all up. If you want to cut it up and put it in, well, Anjali can blend it and you can roast the cumin seeds.
Sure thing. This makes me a lot. Do I do it together?
All together, please.
Do I have to cut this one?
Yes.
This is so fun, isn't it? This is going red.
I'm only actually teaching them so I can take a break in future. And they can cook for me.
Maybe.
Maybe. She can't get the plate out.
Me too.
There's all panic here, that's what it is. Right, okay, leave that there. Now add your oil in, put the gas cooker on. Now Tia has used the gas cooker before, she has been doing cooking. Okay, I can add the oil in.
How much
And use big spatula. So here Priya is using a little full of cooking oil. You can use olive oil if you like as well, or clarified butter. So that should be enough.
Mix the spices! Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'll add it all in a bowl here. Anjali, there we go. So over here, Priya, you can add in a teaspoon of jeera. That's cumin seeds. So you slightly roast them and then add in
I hate the smell of it.
Anjali is going to be helping out making the rice here. We've got a cup full. I use this mug here, just easier for the children to measure. A cupful of basmati rice. I've got it washed and soaked in lukewarm water, so I'll drain it out and add it into the pan. Here we have the rice drained from the lukewarm water, and here she's going to put it into we've got 400 mils of hot boiling water here already in the pan. So Anjali, would you like to add it in? You can use the spatula.
Make sure you get it all out. I'm so joking. Like, come back to me.
Okay, so I'll take the bowl from you. This is another 500 mils of hot boiling water as well.
Oh, sorry.
That's all. Now you come aside. Now, what we have to do is actually boil the rice here and wait till it's cooked. Now we're coming here to Priya now back. Now Priya's going to add in, she's going to check, yes, it's fine.
It's great.
Nice and sort of a golden brown. So now Priya's going to add in the mince. Gently. Gently.
Start eating it.
Now, Priya, you need to make sure the mince will be golden brown before you add the peas in, so cook it until it is.
Just don't record inside me. You're burning. That's short. Stop!
What?
Get that thing. This is what Mum does. Nothing, Mum does.
Oh, now Priya's going to be putting in the garden peas and the tomatoes.
Make sure you don't eat, please. I'm joking, man. I'm hyper. Right, okay.
Right, okay, you can add your spices in now. So we need to add in 2 teaspoons of turmeric, haldi. 2 teaspoons of salt. A teaspoon of chili powder.
This is this one.
Yes, it is.
That teaspoon.
It's a red one, yeah. And a teaspoon of tandoori powder.
This one.
Yes. And 2 teaspoons of garam masala.
So garam and I'm joking.
Right, that's everything. Mix it all up. Just keep on mixing it until the water of the mince dries up. Here we had added in 900 mils of boiling water, but I think is less. So we're going to be adding in another 400 mils.
Adding it in like that, just like.
Okay. So it doesn't matter if you've got extra water in the pan with the rice, because it takes roughly 10 minutes to cook the rice properly, and it's all going draining out anyway. So that's on boil. So Angela, you need to get the lid and lid your rice, please.
Is it this one?
Yes, it's this one. So we'll have a wee tilt because the water will be boiling over. I leave this on for 10 minutes on full heat and then turn it down after 5 minutes.
My speciality, right? Right, get ready. Jordan. I made a flower. Oh my god, it's bubbling. Oh my god, it's bubbling like flower that, huh? Sounds outside. Funny man, funny.
Here we have some water. I've got 400 ml here, but if we need extra we shall put them in. So here we have the chapati flour. So Anjali here is going to make the chapati flour dough. So here we go, Anjali. She's actually a pro at it. So
I'm a pro man. Okay. So I'm just gonna add in the water like that. Just add it in until it's like smooth. I'm almost done! My doughy one! Sorry, what? Not cooked properly, no? My doughy one?
oh, yes, we're making cooking fun, aren't we?
Yes! Is that? Alright, never mind. Thank you so much.
As you'll see, the mince is browned and all the spices are absorbed into the mince. So literally the mince stays on for 15 minutes. So Priya, you can turn the gas right down and lid it and let it cook in the steam. Now the rice, I have lowered the gas because it started to bubble and overflow with the water, so I've lowered it down and lidded it properly so that with the steam the rice will cook. So have you lowered the gas? Yes?
Lowered.
Yes, okay. So we've turned the heat down for the mince to cook for a further 5 minutes. So totally altogether it takes about 20 to 25 minutes to cook the mince. So the mince is cooking, the rice is cooking, and we have the chapati flour getting made here.
I'm about to say, I'm making dough.
While she's cooking the dough.
Right. Twinkle, little started. How I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are. Twinkle, little started. I'm like a professional at like singing. I should be on X Factor. Oh my god. Mum, you should sing it right. Honey. Show how Mum does it. It's brilliant. Like that. This is my pasta, and it's perfect. So.
Looks like it's cooked. So Priya, you're older and she can't take it over, and please drain it over at the sink and run it under cold water. That's what you have to rinse it out with cold water is the starch that's actually in the rice that gets drained out, and it doesn't make the rice sticky at the back, so you don't get hair in your chapati.
Right, I'm just calm down. You're just going to jinx it. I'm just saying, like, when I do it, it comes like a square. I love that, or like a chicken nugget or something. Something does this. So we just got rid of that. I know what I'm doing. Top.
That's the perfect round sample.
2 round.
Okay.
This is what you're doing it. Your hands like that.
Now we're going to wait for one side to go slight brown and then turn it over. You have done it before, so you know what to do. Right. Okay. Now leave it on heat. Now you want to make the full tomato on the gas. Now here she's using a spatula so she won't burn her hands.
So I'm a model, isn't it?
Right here. Oh.
That's what I do.
So now Pia is going to butter the chapati. Here you can have a look at your mince. That should be fully cooked now. Yep, that looks perfect. Now your keema is done, so you can turn the gas off and is all ready to serve.
Should do it less than a minute or something. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I guess. Look, she's already doing the bowl. You'll be let slow on the bowl.
Won't you practice more and then basically it'll go perfect.
Told your mum does that. Did they get that?
So here's the lovely meal that Priya
Five-star
and
meal.
Anjali has cooked today
Yeah,
with the keema mutton and the boiled rice and the chapatis. So we're going to have a wee try and see how they've made it.
Fast go in the mouth. You would say go in the mouth.
Yeah, perfection. Really tasty.
Bunch
Wonder
star.
One star.
Is that right? Did I say that?
Okay. Really tasty. So well done, both of you. So from now on you can cook all the time.
Again, maybe. I made it really nice. You didn't make it! And then I made the boiled rice and the butter. You didn't make the chapati. I like that! What do you think? Are you recording in that?
So here Anjali and Priya actually made the dinner for tonight.
Priya made the dinner
So
for tonight.
I hope you enjoyed the video and we shall see you again, guys. And I hope you enjoyed watching my lovely comedian daughter's video today. And I enjoyed it too. So take care and we'll see you again. Bye.
Don't you have to say like, comment, share and that? No. Guys, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. And we'll be back with more!